Sana nga, tuloy-tuloy na yan guys. Tuloy-tuloy ang earnings at withdrawal. Thank you very much, Lolo T. Ayan, withdraw natin yung earnings natin ngayon guys. Ayan. 5,781.85. So, withdraw lang. Withdraw balance. Manual yung ginagamit natin ngayon. Dito tayo naka-auto withdraw. Ayan. Then enter amount. 5,781. 5,781. So meron tayong service fee na 5.6. So withdraw. Confirm to withdraw. Confirm. Ayan, naka-withdraw na tayo guys. Ayan. Thank you very much. Back. Tingnan natin yung balance natin. No, 0.85 na. Ayan. So, thank you, Lolo T. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow guys. Have a blessed day.